Welcome everyone. Today we'll be discussing our hazardous waste manifest and the proper way to sign a manifest. Okay. So our goals today, we're going to identify the changes to the manifest requirements, identify specific changes by the generator, transporter, and TSDF facilities, provide some examples of how completing the manifest will change, and then answer questions. So as far as an overview, this is a background, a timeline, manifest uses, the scope. We'll be discussing the federal regulations, the new manifest requirements, state authorization, and California regulations, the differences. So what a manifest does for hazardous waste is it creates a tracking document that makes it possible for facilities to know where their waste is going every step of the process, from the point of generation until it's properly disposed of, treated previous to disposal, and then cradle to grave as it is fully disposed of properly into a landfill or wherever it's going. These would be the US DOT shipping paper, emergency response as well. We'll be discussing that, statistics and the research, revenue, and then enforcement and compliance. So how many are affected in California? So there are more than 120,000 different generators of hazardous waste. And there are more than 800 registered hazardous waste transporters, and there are more than 70 off-site operating treatment, storage, and disposal facilities, so TSDF. So as far as what are changes to the manifest, the impact on the business, the uniform manifest for all 50 states, long-term cost reduction to interstate and multi-state generators, short-term cost increase to train employees to use the manifest. So who's responsible for completing the manifest? That's actually all parties must sign and date the manifest.